Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you app for content creators and YouTubers made by Google for Android smartphones or tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen. So firstly what you need to do is just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for one application named as YouTube Create, and you can see the YouTube Create application. Just tap on it. Now tap on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. On opening this application for the first time, it will ask you to sign in. So here you need to use your Google account. So if you're having a Google account, then you can directly click on sign in, or you can create one Google account and sign in with this application. So I'll just tap on sign in. Now just tap on this plus icon. Now tap on allow. Now select your respective video that you want to edit, or you can select a photo also. So let me select a video right now. So at the bottom you will see tons of options, right? So there is a split option, filters option, so you can select different filters, and there is effects. You can add multiple effects here by choosing the different effects, and next to it is adjustment. You can just tap on adjustment. You can change the brightness, contrast, highlights, shadows, white point, black point, saturation, warm, tint, skin tone, blue tone, everything here. You can sharpen, you can vignette, or you can change the opacity also. And next to it is speed. You can increase or decrease the speed just by sliding it. If you want to slow down the video, then you can just decrease the value. And next to it is a volume. So you can mute the volume also, or you can decrease the volume of the respective video also. And next to it is a audio cleanup. You can clean up the audio from your respective video also. I'll just disable it right now. And next to it is a rotate. You can rotate the video, and you can replace with some other files if you want to replace the respective video also. And next to it is rearrange, and next to it is delete, and you can duplicate this respective video also. So these are the options you are gonna get. And now just tap on this black area. Now you will see tons more options, that is you can overlay. If you want to add some stickers or anything here also, or some more videos on the video, then you can just tap on this overlay. You can select a respective photo or video that you want to overlay and click on import, and you can see here. So I'll just undo right now. Now next to it is a text. So you can add a text, you can add a text effects. Next to it is a stickers. So you can add a multiple stickers here, tons of stickers depending upon your needs. And there is a GIF stickers also. Even you can add a emoji stickers also, tons of stickers. And next to it is a sound. So here you can add different free sounds that is available online, or if you want to add your own sound, then just click on this your music, and you can just allow the screen access to your media to access your audio file that is saved on your phone internal storage. And next to it is a voiceover. You can just use a voiceover, that is you can directly record with your respective smartphones or tablets internal microphone. And the last option here you are seeing is a caption. You can just add a caption. If you want to directly add a caption, you can select the source caption for all videos or voiceover, and you can select the respective language here. So right now there are only few languages. In future tests it might add more languages here. So these are the options you're gonna get inside here. So on the above you can see one three dot icons, right? Just tap on it. So here you will get an export option, which I'm gonna talk after a few seconds. And next to it is a aspect ratio. So you can change the aspect ratio of this video also, like 16:9 or 9:16 or 1:1. So you can select depending upon your needs, and once you are selected, then you can click on save. So once you're done with your settings and you want to save it or export it, then just click on this three dot icons again and click on this export, and you can select the quality. So right now the maximum output quality this application has is full HD, that is the 1080 is a full HD, and a standard 720p. So now just select the output format. So I'll just select the full HD, and I'll just tap on export. So our export has been completed. Now you can directly upload to your YouTube also by stepping on the upload to YouTube, or you can share with your friends or any social applications. So it will be saved directly to your gallery application. So you can see here the folder name downloads. So this is the output which we have exported using this application. So in my opinion, it's a very cool application for content creators and YouTubers made by Google for Android smartphones or tablets, that you should definitely check it out by yourself. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.